What's up, guys? I'm here once more with another video, and this is about the GoPro Hero 12 Black, what comes in the box, you get me, and also my additional accessories when I'm using the GoPro Hero 12 Black. So most of my accessories came from using the GoPro Hero 9, so you know that this is basically the same design coming up. All right, so let's start. So let me show you what comes in the box. So I love this case. So these are some of the accessories that comes in the box. Okay, so first and foremost, one of the key things that I really love about this new GoPro, because it comes with the new battery. Yes, it actually comes with two of these, you know, long-lasting batteries right here. And yo, this is really nice. The battery lasts a good, you know, time frame, because I was using it yesterday and I realized I've been using it for like a couple hours, and like actually use one battery for a couple hours, but then normal just run through batteries like that, and I was shooting at 5.3K. so imagine. All right, so it comes with two batteries, right? Two of the new batteries. It comes with this pole right here, like you know, you can just mount the GoPro on it like a vlogging stick, like, and you're good to go. So that's it. It also comes with a head mount, so you actually just put it on your head and just mount the GoPro right there, and you're good to go. I don't really use this type of stuff. So it comes with this little mount right here, and you have another one, but this one is ideally for sticking onto like a bike helmet or something like that. So ideally, you know, you actually just snug it right here like that, snug it there, and it's like this. You have your USB type A to type C, and it also comes with these male connections. This is the GoPro Hero 12. All right, so these are some of the stuff that you get in the package when you pay like $3.99 plus tax. Okay, so let me show you my additional stuff that I use with my GoPro Hero. Well, these can be used with the GoPro Hero 9 up. So this is the dual charger, and as you hear the word dual, actually can mount two batteries in it one time. Snap, and you have your charger like this, and it is type C, which is really good. So I have this clamp right here, and I actually use this clamp to like mount on anywhere that I can actually reach, you get me, anywhere that it actually can fit. And it actually can turn, press this down, and can turn the angle to where you want it to be, which is really good. Build quality is really sturdy. Trust me, really sturdy. I don't even remember name of this company, but I've had this for quite some time now, and this can be used with any GoPro. Yeah, this is a bit dirty right now. Well, not dirt, just has water in it. So this is like my diving case, and you can actually dive like beyond like 30 feet with this diving case. And not only that, I have like additional stuff for this case as well. So I have filters for this case. Right, so let me explain why I have filters. Right, so this is a red filter, you get me. So I use each filter for like getting like different colors based on the scenery that I'm in the water. Cool. And then you have a magnifying filter. This is really cool. So if I want to get like macro type of shot, I just use this one. This is really cool. So it actually just snaps on to the case like that, and really good. And I actually like using the case for like safety purposes, even though it's an action camera, but yo, it can still get a beating that can actually damage it like that. But this actually works for me. All right, so this is another accessory that I like. So this actually floats. So if I just want to use the GoPro just like this, right, without using anything else. So if, for example, if I have a pole, well, not a long pole, like a short pole, not like a mini pole, that's not floatable, you get me, but it's not too heavy. This actually can keep the GoPro afloat. And one of the main thing is it's bright, so even if it should like sink a bit, you can actually see it. There's no way you can identify this in the water. So yeah, so this is like a cushiony thing for it as well. You can actually just use it out of the water as well, but it's really good, like it's really protective for the GoPro. The last thing that I normally use with my GoPro is this dome. At least I remember the name of the company that I got this from. This is from Cine, and yo, this is a must-have for any GoPro, right? So this actually supports from the Hero 9 and above, right? So this is how it normally works. So let me just remove this out of the case. It is actually still slightly moist, if you can look. I don't know if you can see it. So we have slight water residue in it, because I went to the sea yesterday and tested it out, because I have a video going out soon about the GoPro 12 and like how it operates, you know, in the open, like a real live review. So when that comes out, you'll see some of the shots that I get from it. But I think I can show you guys a shot that I got with the GoPro, but it's not a lot because I never really had enough time there and actually reached late. Okay, so how this dome works, it's very easy. So you actually can get above the water and below the water. It's called a 50-50 shot, right? So imagine somebody swimming underneath the water, and then you have somebody who's diving in from above, like from off of a boat, or you know, anything like jet ski or something like that. So this is what you use to get the shot, right? Once you look through here, you can actually get a view of what you're doing, and then you just go ahead and fire. You get me? So you have the little trigger right here, press and squeeze, and you can get the shot. You get me? You can get a shot, which is really good. Yo, I love this. Like, this is a good investment for anything relating to water content. Well, I was going to say underwater, but it's both above and below, and it's very easy to use. So basically, so once you snap this back, then you just place the camera inside, just like that. Snap, and you're good to go. You're good to go. This is really good. Like, whosoever thought about this idea, you guys really did it. Like, really did it. So guys, I guess that is it for this video. So you can like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I have so much more GoPro content to release. Trust me, it's just a time. It's just a time. But yeah. Oh, when you're putting away this dome, make sure not to, you know, leave it out like this, because this is glass. It's easy to scratch, so just be mindful of that. You get me? So yeah. All right, so I'll see you guys next time.